Now, ACCA AFM exam preparation tips, um, go topic by topic. So I'm doing investment appraisal. I will not think about anything else. You call it chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, or you might call it chapter 97, 96, 97. I don't mind. You call it BPP or Kaplan. I don't mind. I know the topic which is called investment appraisal. And these are the things which ACCA have told us to learn from that. And I'm going to do that. It will take me probably 15 days, but I will watch all the video lectures, all the question videos. I will do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions from this topic. I will read the notes. I will do the quizzes. I will kill this subject, this topic. Investment appraisal is done. It's on one side. It took me 20 days, 15 days. I don't mind, but at least I know that if a question comes in exam from this area, which surely will come, I will manage it. Don't move to the next chapter or do not move to the next topic half finished. Don't leave it. I see people, they do 70%, 80%, they move to the next 70, 80, they move to the next. So I ask them, how many topics have you finished, or how many topics have you done? They say, I've done 8 chapters. So are you done with them? No, no, no. A few things are left in chapter 3, few things are left in chapter 4. So you have done nothing actually. You have only wasted the time. So go topic by topic. Focus on learning outcome. Every question, every topic, every lecture has some learning outcome. What did you learn from this question? Make it a note. Make it a note that this question, I had to calculate geared beta or ungeared beta or re-gear the beta, or probably the average betas, taking the averages of the beta. So what was the purpose of doing this question? What did you, I mean, in every question, 60-70% of the calculation is the simple, same basic standard. 30-40% things or 20% things are new, where you put a spice on that, where they try to twist with the information. And you need to see that twist which they made. And that is something which you need to remember. Otherwise, it is same. It is same. Twist is only with 20%, and you need to find out that part which they made trick. Okay. Practice is important, like I told you. And what type of practice you would do? See, I was having one orientation yesterday with my SBR students, because I teach 2 subjects, SBR and AFM. And I said that if you have 40 hours, and if one question, it takes 1 hour. So for AFM students, my advice is that they should do 20 questions twice. I mean, SBR people should do 40 questions one time, because SBR is not really complex calculation. What you need to become familiar with more scenarios. The more scenarios you are familiar with, the better your score will be in SBR exam. But in AFM, you don't need to do 40 questions. Even if you do 20 questions, but you do them twice, because this is such a long calculation which goes on and on and on. So if you do it one time, you would not remember it. It's on 2 pages, 3 pages, long tables, a lot of calculations, a lot of steps. So many times you have to produce that calculation twice so that you can remember it. And then, in what is actually different between SBR and AFM, SBR, there is always a unique scenario. In AFM, it is not a unique scenario. AFM questions are quite similar. If you have done, if you have watched me doing 30 questions and then you do 20 questions, trust you me, when you go to exam, you will see, oh, I have seen this question. The questions, they look very similar to each other. Because I mean, if it is NPV, it is NPV. We are putting 50 million in the beginning, and then what is going to happen? So sometimes working capital is involved, taxation is involved, inflation is involved, the same typical calculation. So you don't really need to become familiar with 40 scenarios. Become familiar with 20 questions, 25 questions, but do them twice, okay? So practice is important. Avoid answer auditing. Don't see the answers before. Practice on computer. You guys already know that ACCA are computer-based exams. So don't practice on paper. Either you use your Excel while you do, or you use ACCA Study Hub. Better do with your practice with your computer, and then on ACCA platform, you can do it later. Follow the study plan which you have made and attempt mock exams. Okay.